let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer, for it's still on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my hands. African kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. African kitchen, I'm hungry for it. African kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. African kitchen, I'm hungry for it. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer, for it's still on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my...
Top of the day to you, my wonderful and excellent viewers at home. I am so excited and happy to be with you once again. This is your #1 television cookery program, African Kitchen. I'm sure you've been expecting me. Yeah, here I am. Today promises to be so interesting, entertaining, and exciting. Why? Because I have a guest with me in the kitchen. You have been telling us that we should bring him, we should bring him, we should bring him, and we promise you that we're going to do that. And today, he is here live and direct. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag. Just stay glued to your TV set. Don't change the dial. Don't go anywhere because, hey, if you blink like this, you don't miss plenty. Oh. I tell you, because today, you're in for a good show. I will be back with my guest when I come back. I am Nta Ijebu Ode, your host. I'll see you after this break. Don't go anywhere. You are welcome back, viewers. If you are just joining, don't feel bad because the program is just taking off. Just settle down and let's enjoy the program together. It is African Kitchen and I'm Nta Ijebu Ode. Without much ado, let me bring in my guests. And here we are. Please, in your style.
I'm your warrior, I'm your warrior. I'm your warrior, I'm your warrior. Emori Nene, Emori Baba, I'm your warrior. Buki.
Now, so
yes, I don't mind you for that horrible.
I don't see.
Yes.
You're welcome. I want you to greet viewers at home in your dialect first.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delta Urobo, to be precise. Africa. We greet Urobo Wado, Nigeria Wado, Lagos Wado.
Thank you.
Then you go tell me
Big one.
bread. I am Ambassador Dr. Tony Akboshiri, a veteran Nollywood actor and a filmmaker. FTA.
God bless you.
Fellow of Theatre
Arts.
That's it. Make I clap for myself.
Clap for yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. It's been long because you're a veteran. How long have you been in the industry?
I should be going to 50-something years now, and I think because 1977 first start, I was on that stage. And I started before then.
Wow.
So if you count now, I think first start is going to, it should be about 15 or 50.
Well, there about 77. It's
but I started before 77.
77.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. This energy, this stature, everything, still as the thing. The only thing will be different. Be saying that this gray hair, they come.
Maybe say I go paint and black tomorrow.
For where? Even
If
you paint and black, people go no. Please tell me, what's the secret of this business?
Bookie, I think it's just like you. Well, life is the way you play it.
Yes.
If you have money today, fine, thank God, and touch life. But if you don't have, take life and also know that tomorrow money will come. Because what is important is this. I've always told people that, look, before you were born, there was money. Before you were born, there was time. And this money, you will die, leave them.
and time you go time never. So when you keep saying, oh, time is going, I keep telling people, time is not going. It's you that is going.
That is going.
Yes, the main course of today, the main meal today, the main thing I'm going to cook today is ogbono.
Wow.
It's known as wild mango. Wild mango. I'm not talking wild animals. Wild mango, which of course is ogbono here.
Wow.
And when you talk about ogbono is known all over Nigeria, if not the whole of Africa, because it's a popular food, it's a popular soup. And
to prepare this ogbono, what and what do we?
Well, I have ogbono, which of course is the main course.
Okay.
Then you have bomo kanda, that is bomo. This is bomo. We have bomo here.
Okay.
And this is dry pepper. Dry pepper is called. This dry pepper is called Cameroon pepper.
Okay.
Cameroon pepper.
Good, very good spice.
I'm also thinking. I think we have Nigeria pepper because there's also Cameroon pepper now. They here. At the time, don't refuse to produce Nigeria pepper.
Get them plenty.
These onions. Anybody who enter kitchen must know what is called onions.
Thank you.
Then this is ogri. Does it have English name?
Well, I wouldn't.
I know English.
Fermented locust beans or something.
And it's
very fermented.
Very, very good for the body.
For the body,
yes.
Good.
And of course, there's no way you can do with this without this. This is salt, and this is seasoning. That is those who want to do with seasoning, because most people who don't go on this, they just go with crayfish, and this is crayfish. You see, crayfish, and of course, this is fresh palm oil. We produce this in Nigeria. I know that years back in the 70s and also in the 60s, it was produced in a large quantity. I don't know who's overtaking us now. Then this is
that's a scent leaf.
That's scent leaf.
Then this
scent leaf.
Yes,
and this uziza.
Wow. I love
Uziza get English names. So. Okay. And of course, we all know this. This is my favorite. I hardly eat fresh, but I eat fresh. I eat dried catfish, and this is catfish. So, that is what I'm going to prepare this.
All right, and we're going to eat the sweets. I tell you, you can eat it with any solid you like.
Yes.
Today, we're learning Tony Akoshere style. I'll be back, so I'm getting prepared to cook. Welcome back, viewers.
Catfish, we have to wash it. Wash it with warm water because you have every need to remove every sand. Can I have a spoon? Good. Yes, then where is the hot water?
Your hands, not they deceive you.
Water. Over where? I speak your own, you speak my own. Water so you leave it here for it to, the water will dissolve it, even enter inside to bring out.
But since it is ogbono, you know
yes, ogbono,
you want
yes.
to mix it with.
I have to mix
this
it.
This is his own style, viewers, so just follow suit.
I hope you're seeing it. Your ogbono has to be thick, and you mix it with oil. That is my own style. I may decide to pour the oil, it depends, but then most of the time I just color. And so that the oil will not be too much in the. For you, then you mix. You see, I'm sure even without putting it on fire, you're already perceiving the aroma. You see, Tony Akoshere here, when he cook like this, I won't talk too much, because when you're talking too much, it's not good. So put that aside.
Okay.
Then the water.
Now, this is where we want to cook
yes.
our akpu.
The first thing you start with, because
go ahead with yours, though. The water is boiling. I want to help you with
this mama is kanda. You first put it in the water, the boiling water, allow it to boil. Like I told you earlier, this is Cameroon pepper. I know Nigeria pepper is still on the way, and it's still here. People are still cooking.
Nigerian pepper.
Cameroon pepper is dry, very dry. You turn it, because you cannot add pepper without turning it. Now I can dissolve this.
All right.
Okay. you have to make sure it's dissolved, and so that you will not scoop it inside your mouth while you're eating. I can imagine.
And it's good, even if you scoop it.
But then you say,
it's good for your tummy.
It's good for the tummy, right?
Yes.
I know. Add it to the boiling pot. You must turn each time you drop something inside.
Oh, can you perceive the aroma?
I am, especially the ogri. You know, that ogri has so much, it's highly medicinal and good.
So while we're waiting for this to buzz, we can
I think the
start
poundo yam should come up.
All right.
So, while that one is on, I think it's about time we put the white mango, popularly known as ogbono.
It's not from yours.
Good. Or yoko.
And by the time you're cooking, you feel it's too thick, you can still add more water.
It's nice and already. So, I think, okay. I want it thick, but I know by the time I add all this, it will be. Yes, I think we should.
I'm sure we still need water.
Yeah, we need water. You see, one thing about this ogbono, you see, it's already mixed with pepper, even though I still added a little pepper here. Crayfish equally is there, so all it's mixed together. I think I need more water because yes. And I think when you're cooking ogbono, you don't cover.
No.
Because once you cover it, it's gone. Okay. It will become flat. Right now it's not usually. Just about 3 seasoning cubes. You put it. Make sure you squeeze it where you're putting it, because I know some people will just dump it, and when you're eating, it go turn to like say they chop one species of meat. But by the time when the thing go do, they say, what did I eat? But Tony is a very good cook. He will tell you everything to be done. So right now, we come to the just a little salt. Just a little salt. My hands are clean, so I can just add little. Buki, I think we need more water here.
No problem.
Yes, more water here. That will do. Good. This is to enable the ingredients, other things I'm going to. I've already added. Yes, so I'll just put crayfish.
Very well inside.
Crayfish.
Gently.
Though crayfish was also inside the ogbono, which was of course mixed together, but then, many years ago, before the seasoning thing came up, we eat only crayfish. Personally, even if I'm cooking in the house, I just go for that.
So we allow ogbono to really cook and cook well.
Keep turning it so that it won't burn. If it's burnt, it's another problem.
We have not forgotten our...
No. This is why you are a mother. There's no way you can forget that, even if you escape. Yes.
I should give you this thing to turn on.
Because I have muscle.
You should come and turn this thing.
Because I'm the one
the stick down.
You see? You thought because I'm going to 70, so I won't have power to turn, Abi. Or what are you saying, Buki?
No, I'm not saying you do not have power.
You see, the poundo yam is almost done. You must know that when all these dried fish, what you do is to make sure you open the mouth. All those ants that are hiding inside, they don't know, so we human beings, we better pass them. So that everything be one. Yes. Now the next thing now is the fish.
Let me mix that water with it.
Okay.
Our poundo yam is ready.
Yes, she's ready to be served.
And look at the ogbono.
See as yoko. Hey. Let me put the fish.
Go ahead.
Good. You can put fresh fish. You can put You can use goat meat the same way, whichever, what is it called in the English now? Is it?
Goat, either lamb, either chicken.
No, they will ask whichever protein you want.
We have to be very careful when you're adding your seasoning to ogbono because they used to say ogbono retains all this seasoning. Sure, you know.
Yeah.
It is when the thing don't reach the ground, when don't cold, you go come see your yash for outside. The way the salt go don't set.
So you go allow and well, make it boil and make it a turner. I think we should go for the vegetable. You want to test it first before you.
Why not test it too? So that you know.
Well, usually I just test when after applying all my,
So that you will know if you are okay with the salt and seasoning.
I put on more. Come. It's about time we apply
your
vegetable.
Beautiful.
Which of course is going to be at the last.
Remember we have combination of
this is scent leaf.
Beautiful.
This is scent leaf. I mean, just
I put everything to
it's a highly medicinal for your body. You know, yes. I put all. Then this is uziza. Uziza helps you for easy digestion and also pains. So some people even chew it raw this way, and I know why they chew it because especially the elders. I'm not saying the elders alone, but if you know, you have, because all these things when they remove them from here, take them abroad and machine them, they bring them to you in form of tablet. Here, take it raw because we are so blessed with this.
No, I'm talking too much.
Good. Okay.
Uziza will give also give it. Most of you that like Tony that loves to eat bitter leaf, that bitter taste, Uziza will provide.
Now can't tell me say Uziza they give manpower too.
All right, as we're leaving the kitchen, I'm sure many people will like, I want to be like this man. I love to be like him in future. What do you have to say to people aspiring to be great actors?
Number one, you have to be hardworking, very disciplined, but discover yourself that you have this talent. We all have our talent in different ways, in different forms. Then again, never, once you discover that you have this talent, don't let somebody deceive you. Say, you're not there. Once you have a vision, pursue it. But I must warn you, it's a long, long road to travel. It's a long way in every field itself. But then, once you have this vision and once you've determined that, look, this is what you want to be, don't give away.
Thank you.
Don't let somebody deceive you.
All right, viewers, don't go anywhere. I'll see you together with Mr. Tony Akushere on the table. The program continues and it is African Kitchen. Welcome back, viewers. We have a guest with us on the table. Let's meet you, madam.
My name is Mercy Iyamu.
Mercy who?
Iyamu.
Mercy Iyamu.
Iyamu.
Yes.
That's Iyamu. Call and well Africa.
Iyamu.
Iyamu is English.
Iyamu.
Iyamu.
Iyamu. Where are you from?
Iyamu from Edo State.
Oh.
That's the heartbeat of the nation.
I hear you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Iyamu.
Okay. All right. So, viewers, our lady has joined us on the table, and I believe you know this man very well. Okay, join us to eat this. After now, we will come back. At least we will hear from our guest to know if indeed he has chatted. Okay.
Can I eat too?
This one where they take glasses chop now. So you don't want me to see your face now.
Everybody, okay. It's good make I ever see the thing where make I.
Now. Thanks for still staying tuned, viewers. Well, we always love to hear the feedback from our guests. So over to you now.
No, honestly, I don't like eating swallow or seeing the face of the soup. I said, okay, let me give it a try.
Okay.
And my try was not bad at all. If there's something like 150 over 100, that would be my score for me.
Really?
I'm not saying because of him though, but because of what I eat.
Wow.
Let me clap for myself.
As you can see, I finished.
Wow. Anyway, I don't have any other thing to say again. How do you feel?
I feel great because you can see my plate.
You know, we are coming.
Yeah, I look great. She said it, but it's only like 100 over 50. She's giving
150.
over 150.
Okay, 150 over 100. So you see, I am great. Thank you. The thing is that, you see, what really interests me most is that usually she doesn't take swallow. But the moment she saw the sight of this, she said, no, let me give it a try. And she finished it all.
And she finished
You see?
That's good. That's good. Okay, so viewers at home, you have learned that you can prepare your ogbono in different ways. If you like, you boil your meat. That's what you want to use. Or chicken, boil and start adding everything to it. And if you like, if you prefer it, that's dry ogbono. Be sprinkling it and be mixing. If you know it will not get lumps, go ahead. It depends on your style. We have enjoyed Mr. Tony Akoshere's style and it came out well. You've heard it from her. Let me say, let me give her a mark. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
High five.
And you were good. And then
All right.
I'll walk.
Thank you. So Yeyoni, ó tún di ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ láyọ̀ ó dàbọ̀.
Orobo wa do wa yeru wa gana wi yoko wa gana wi yoki wucho bio. Isie boyo. Yeah.
Iye do whatever.
Okay.
Wakoyo amigbe. Wakoyo.
Okay, you heard it. We are complete Nigeria. And from every one of us will say, bye.